Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kamusta na kayo? It's been a long time. I think the last upload ko was 8 months ago. Hindi ako nagkakamali. And prior to that, like 3 years ago. And I've been active here in YouTube nung pandemic. Nag-upload ako ng mga videos ng purpose-driven. And praise God, natapos ko naman yung 1 to 40 days ng purpose-driven, and I'm happy kahit paano nakatulong pala siya sa ibang tao. Especially yung nag-go through ng purpose-driven or nagbabasa ng book na yon, and they will look in YouTube and look for some insights or something related dun sa day na binabasa nila. Nagme-message sila sa akin na nagka-thank you sila kasi naka-help naman yung na-share ko about sa purpose-driven. And nakakatuwa lang na ni-input talaga ni Lord sa heart ko yung pagka-create ng video matagal na. But I've been very stubborn and very lazy, and I'm procrastinating for years talaga. So, this 2026, I don't want to promise, but I wanted to really be intentional and being consistent. And I don't want na ma-pressure because kailangan very, very perfect ang video na gagawin ko. So, setting expectation na agad. I wanted to be raw as much as possible. Would make mistakes. Hindi magiging perfect ang video na to, pero I wanted to be consistent. That's what I wanted. Hindi perfect, but consistent. Na I would at least upload 1 video per week. At kung sipagin na yung magkaroon tayo ng, at least 2 videos per week, sana. But, yeah. Setting of expectations na wala pa nga dito. Kaya yung sasabi ko, may guide nga ako, hindi ko naman nasusunod. Kaya meron ako hawak na notebook. But I wanted to welcome you to our room. Actually, my room and my daughter's room. This is my humble working station na dati kung saan lang ako pumapwesto sa baba. Para magkaroon ako ng working area na wala akong privacy, na wala akong hindi naman sa walang peace, pero alam mo yung nagtatrabaho ka or may gusto kang gawin, tapos maraming tao sa paligid mo, may mga padaan-daan, may mga magulo, may mga maingay. So ngayon, nung time na kwento ko lang very quick, nung time na nagsusulat ako ng answered prayer ko, I'm just really in awe and grateful sa Lord because I'm thinking or I'm writing my answered prayer dun sa lugar na pinagpa-pray ko lang. And nakakatuwa lang. Alam mo yun, na itong small area na to, na normal lang sa ibang tao na magkaroon ng kwarto, ng sariling kwarto. But as a typical Filipino, I grew up, sleeping with my siblings and my parents. Wala talaga kaming sariling kwarto. And ngayon, kahit papaano, I'm almost 36 years old, yun pa lang ako nagkaroon ng sariling space. Ka-share ko pa rin naman yung anak ko. Pero at least, masasabi ko na meron akong something or somewhere na I can be at peace, that I can pray, do my devotion quietly. Kasi most of the time wala naman yung anak ko dito dahil pupasok sa school. So, sa araw, ako lang talaga nandito. And sa gabi naman working naman ako, tas naman yung tulog. So, ayun, share ko lang. Very quick. And bakit nga wala ako sa YouTube? There's a lot of things that I need to address personally. Marami akong mga natutunan. Nag-go through ako ng healing. Masabi ko, paano ba? Go through ako ng emotional healing. Tama ba yun? And addressing my deepest trauma in the past. Siguro nag-heal din ng inner child. Kaya naging magastos ako for how many years. Kasi ang dami kong hinihil na inner child naman talaga. Nakaka-relate yung mga batang 90s doon. Ayun, kaya hindi ako naging active. At talagang may problema ako sa pagiging consistent. Kasi nga, nagpo-procrastinate ako, ang dami kong excuses, ang dami kong reason and everything. And lagi talagang pinuput ni Lord sa heart ko itong paggagawa ng content. Not because nakikita ko na many people are earning. Well, bonus naman na talaga ang earning eh. But I think one of the gifts that the Lord gave me is gift of speaking, na napakadaldal kong tao, ang dami kong sinasabi. Dati wala namang sense yung sinasabi ko, but now nagkakaroon na ng sense kahit paano because the wisdom is coming from the Lord. Hindi na siya nanggagaling lang sa akin, and also galing sa mga experiences ko in the past. So, ayun. Kaya, nag-step back muna ako sa YouTube. And ang dami ko rin natutunan sa sarili ko. I have a notebook because I have a guide. Sabi ko nga kasi napakadaldal kong tao. Ayun, natutunan ko na ako pala ay people pleaser. Yes. So sa pagiging people pleaser ko, naka-affect sa akin, it affects so many areas of my life, especially financial. Kasi nga, yung sarili ko, gusto ko lagi maayos. So, I would buy things that would make me look pretty, presentable, which is okay naman. Kaya lang minsan kasi, ang OA, alam mo yun, lalo pag may mga ganap, tapos may mga moment pa na parang, dahil nga, I'm pleasing people, ayoko na, pag na-picturean ko na siya at na-post ko sa Facebook, ayoko nang suotin ulit yung next event, something like that, ganun. So, I don't know kung ano gusto kong patunayan sa buhay ko, pero, yeah, ganun siya. And, something that I would share pagdating sa finance, share with you the different video. But, yeah, sobrang people pleaser ko talaga. Kaya, nung naintindihan ko na siya, at na-acknowledge ko na, okay, so, I'm a people pleaser pala. Because, nanggagaling siya sa deepest desire ko. So, kung ano man yun, something maybe that I can share with you in the future. Ano ba? Ayun, dahil nga people pleaser ako, I'm trying to meet expectation of people sa akin. So, nag-overgo above and beyond talaga ako pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi naman talaga kailangan. Gusto ko lang sila i-please. Ganon. And what else? Ayun, yung natutunan ko rin kung kailan ako dapat mag-pause when I feel exhausted and disconnected sa lahat-lahat ng bagay. So, ang dami ko natutunan in the past years na siguro kaya ako napastop kasi the Lord wants to equip me so that I have a lot of things that I can share with you. And I also wanted to do video kasi gusto kong makita yung improvement ko, kung paano ako magsalita, kung paulit-ulit pa ba ako ng sinasabi, kung meron ba akong phrase na paulit-ulit kong binibigkas, diba? Na meron ba magiging improvement sa mga videos na gagawin ko in the future? How can I make myself better? So, yeah, that's why I wanted to video myself. So, for my own improvement then. And if the video could benefit you as well, then at least, diba, maganda. And ano pa, madalas ako mag-social media break before. Pero parang mga 1 to 2 days lang, mabalik na agad ako. Alam mo yung papaalam pa ako, ibibigay ko pa yung Viber ko, yung WhatsApp ko, yung whatever contacts that they can contact me. Pero wala namang kumakontak sa akin, di ba? Like, so wala may pake. Kasi before, I wanted to be in the social media kasi parang feeling ko people care about me. People will miss me if hindi na ako active, ganyan-ganyan. Pero hindi pala. I've learned that people don't care. So, why do I care? Diba? Hindi mas wala na akong pakialam. Bakit ako makikialam? Hindi mas wala na akong pakialam. But, minsan kasi lagi ko iniisipin kung ano yung sasabihin ng mga ibang tao. Yun, natutunan ko na, they don't care pala. Not in a negative level. But I understood na they have their own life kasi. So, why would they think of you na, kasi ganito, ganyan, bakit ano siya, ganyan, ganyan, or bakit kailangan mong isipin kung ano yung mga iisipin ng tao sa'yo. Sila, may sarili silang buhay na kailangan nilang intindihin. Maybe pag-usapan nila ako for moment, then after nun, wala na. Iba na naman yung pag-uusapan nila. So, na-realize ko na, nga, bakit ako magpapa-apekto, di ba? Why would I care if I would just focus on my improvement, on my growth, ganyan. So, ayun, yung mga realizations and learnings ko. And, I wanted to grow quietly. Pero kasi before, yun ba mga New Year's resolution, di ba? Ito yung New Year's resolution ko, ganyan-ganyan. This 2025, I would be like this and that and all. Pero hindi naman pala kailangan i-broadcast yun. Minsan kasi, the more na binobroadcast mo sa mga tao, yung mga gagawin mo, the more na pressure ka, hanggang sa nawawala ka na lang, na hindi mo na talaga siya na ipagpapatuloy. So, creating this video is not really sharing with you my plans, what I wanted to do, but it's actually really documenting myself and sharing with you my realization, sharing something that helped me, mga ganung bagay. Kung meron man akong i-share doon, I would make sure na talagang I would do it because parang i-share ko lang kayo sa journey ko ng growth ko. Na I would promise something, do this, do that. Kung hindi naman ako magiging consistent, hindi ko na lang muna i-share. Katulad na itong pag-create ng video na to. I know may hirapan akong maging consistent talaga. Pero I wanted to be consistent. So, siguro isa din sa magiging magiging accountability partner ko kayo so that I can be consistent in creating video at least once a week. So, ayun ay isa sa mga doable naman. Tingin ko, kaya naman talagang gawin. Creating yung video once a week, uploading once a week. Parang, di ba? Making video like this would not take you 8 hours, maybe a couple of hours, but so doable siya. So that's what I can promise. So pag nadagdagan or maging twice a week, ito na yung talagang I would really give myself a tap in the back na, okay, you're doing great, you're being consistent and all that. Kasi that's what I'm trying to practice as well eh. I know nahihirapan ako maging consistent talaga sa mga bagay-bagay. Kaya, yeah, samahan niyo ako ng consistent sa pag-create muna ng video na to. And what else? Ayun, kasi isa pa yun sa problema ko the past years is I'm procrastinating and I'm always doom scrolling sa social media. Kaya naka-social media break ako talaga ngayon. Since before mag-end ng 2025 and starting ng 2026, even messenger break, marami akong tao mga hindi na-replyan. I'm so sorry if I don't respond to your messages. I don't know, minsan hindi ko alam kung ano yung na-reply ko. As someone na ayoko before na meron akong i-inbox zone or sin zone, I would make sure talaga na na-replyan ko lahat ng mga nag-message, kahit group chat pa yan. Pero, natutunan ko na hindi naman pala dapat, hindi naman pala kailangan, ganyan. Kaya sorry, minsan hindi talaga ako nag-reply. Hindi talaga ako nag-reply. It's either I don't have my phone with me, natakbo na yung message ninyo kasi tayo nag-message sa akin. Kasi marami akong GC, hindi sila nag-message talaga ng PM, pero natatakbo na ng mga active GCs. Ayun, and doom scrolling, I hate it na nauubos yung oras ko ng pag-scroll sa social media na wala man lang ako nagawang anything productive. So ngayon, this is what I'm really trying to practice every day as much as possible. I don't check my phone when I woke up. I would do something else muna bago ako mag-phone para hindi ako, hindi masayang yung 3 to 4 hours or 5 hours. Or minsan, pag day off ko, minsan inaabot ako ng 10 hours, 11 hours sa pag-social media lang. Legit, hindi ako nanonood ng Netflix pero I'm just really doom scrolling. And I would ask my son can you give me food? So, bibigyan niya ako ng food, tapos doom scrolling ulit. So, parang napaka-unhealthy talaga. It's not giving talaga. So, sorry sa aking sipon. So, yan. What else? So, I think that's it for now. And I will be covering many topic in the next coming videos, maybe about faith, about life as a single mom of 2 sons and 1 daughter, and they are 2 of my son is already young adult. I can't imagine things that I learned, that I'm doing, that I am growing. So yeah, I would share my growth and what else? Kahit anong basta ko nang mapag-usapan na topic na pwedeng makatulong sa ating lahat. Diba? So, ayun lang. I hope your 2026 will be awesome, blessed, prosperous, abundant, kung ano man yun. I hope that this will be a good year to all of us. And we just lift it up and surrender everything to God this 2026, and He will do the rest. So, goodbye, and thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye!